Alright guys, wanted to record a video of problem 13. This is one where they give us three statements and ask us which ones are true, so we should evaluate each one. The first one tells us that from pi over 2 less than theta to pi, cosine is negative. Well, we know that pi over 2 less than pi, in other words, theta is bigger than 90 degrees and less than 180, i.e. theta is in quadrant 2. So yes, that is true. In quadrant 2, cosine is always negative. We know this from our unit circle. So this first statement is true. Second statement says sine of theta equals cosine of theta from 0 to 2 pi when theta is either pi over 4 or 5 pi over 4. We know this has to be true because only at these two angles do sine of theta actually equal cosine of theta. At pi over 4, as you know, sine theta equals root 2 over 2, and cosine theta equals root 2 over 2. Whereas at 5 pi over 4, as you know, sine theta equals negative 5 pi over 4, negative root 2 over 2, and cosine theta equals negative root 2 over 2. It is only at pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4 that sine and cosine have the same value. This can be verified by looking at the unit circle, and it is only at those values that the x and y coordinates are the same. Finally, statement number 3, that cosine of negative theta equals negative sine of theta. Well, we know cosine of negative theta is really just cosine of theta by our negative identities. So they're telling me that cosine of theta equals negative sine theta. Well, let's try it out. Let's plug in an angle. So they're telling me that cosine pi over 6 should equal negative sine of pi over 6. Cosine pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. That certainly does not equal negative 1/2. So therefore, statement 3 is not true. Statements 1 and 2 are true, so answer choice B is the correct answer. Hope this video is helpful, and I will see you all tomorrow.